How to make a featured product slider on Shopify. Create featured slider. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another Shopify and e-commerce tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing how you can basically create a featured product slider, and it's going to be on Shopify, and we can create a feature slider very easily. Now, if you don't know what a feature slider is something like this over here, but obviously it's going to be with a button that's going to help it slide just like this. So look at that. This is what basically a slider is, with all different products that you can slide through and see through. So that is going to be on your store with all the products, and obviously this is going to be the products that you're going to be sliding, and it's going to look exactly like this. So now that you know what we're really getting into, and what we're going to do is we're going to get right into the basics and how to work around with it. So first of all, we're going to go to our Shopify and we're going to log ourselves in. Now, if you don't have a store, then I recommend you start creating one and create a proper upgraded plan store. If you don't have an upgraded plan, then this won't work for you, but make sure you have an upgraded plan, and we're going to get right into our store. So I'm going to load into my store and show you all the basics. So now that you're into your store, make sure that you have products. So let's say you don't have products, then obviously it will work, but you won't have any product in the product slider. So that defeats the purpose. So let's add a random product, let's say. So I'm going to add a shirt. I'm going to give some random description. Doesn't really matter, not right now at least. And then I'm going to add any random picture. Doesn't really matter what type of picture you add. So I'm going to go in my downloads and I'm going to find a picture that is suitable. So let's say I'll add this one. Now this doesn't really fit with our product, but I'm just adding it obviously just for exemplary purposes. And then I'm going to set a price. So I'm going to set it at that and that. Cost per item. 54. Let's just set it. Obviously you're going to set it according to whatever your product price is. I'm just setting random settings to make it look a bit appealing. And once you do all of this, you're going to select your country and region that basically the customs is going to be from. And I'm just going to set mine. Where is it? There we go. And then you're going to put in the HS code, which is the harmonized system code, if there is any. Now this might not be compulsory. And once you put in all of this, all you need to do is you're going to come here and you're going to click on save. And once you click on save, what this does is it saves this product in your product. So all I need to do is you're going to go in products, and there we go. There's your product and it's totally active. Now what you're going to need to do is you're going to, of course, go to your online store. So here's my online store, and if I go over here on view your online store, this is what my store basically looks like. And this is the only product I have right here. So this is my product with all the details, etc. And this is how it looks. But obviously I don't want this. I don't want a single product to be shown over here. I want a proper slider with obviously a list of products. So how to do that? It's easy. All you need to do is, obviously there's going to be this document in the description. You can pause the video and read the link off from here, or the link is going to be provided in the description below, and you can check it from that as well. So yeah, this is what you're going to need to do. You're going to go to the theme, you're going to click on action, click on edit code, and go to section. So let's first of all do that. So over here, you're going to click on these three dots. Now you can duplicate it if you want to, and that's not because it's going to mess your thing up or anything. It's just because you're going to first do the product slider thing as an exemplary purposes, as an example, to see if it really works with what you want. And then obviously you're going to do edit code. Now don't worry, you're probably guessing another code and you're probably wanting to click away, but don't worry. The code is, as you just saw in the doc, already provided by me. It's basically a cascading style sheet code, and it's very simple, very easy. All you need to do is just copy and paste it, so don't worry. So over here, what you need to do is you're going to open the sections bar. Now once sections is open, you're going to click on add a new section. And over here, you're going to write product dash slider. And once you put this in, you're going to click on done. Now, once you click on done, you're going to wait for it to load up. You're already going to have a code over here. Just cut that out. Go to the document that I have made for you, and you're going to copy all of this code. So I'm just going to copy it real quick. There we go. Our code is copied. And now we're going to just come here and we're going to paste it. And there we go. Our link is successfully pasted. All you need to do is you're going to click on save. And once it's properly saved, you're just going to back out. And from there on out, you're going to go ahead and exit it to your main store. Now, it could be of the convenience because this doesn't happen mostly, but it could happen like on some occasions because some Shopify themes, now the Dawn theme doesn't have this, but some Shopify themes already have the featured collection option, and that is basically the feature slider that you can add. But if your theme doesn't have that section, then this video is for you. So basically, what you're gonna do then, if your theme doesn't have it, is you're gonna add the code, and once you add the code, you're gonna go and click on customize. Now, once you click on customize, what's gonna happen is it's gonna open a proper widget for you right over here. As you can see, as I told you, it could have your featured collections where you can obviously add your slider, or you can just click on add section. And as you can see over here, product slider, you're gonna click on that. And this is your basic product slider. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring it to the top, and you're gonna bring it where you want to make your products, displayed. And now that your product slider is here, you can change the number of cards that are gonna be in the view. And once that is done, you can start adding your product cards. Now, in this product, you can select. I'm gonna select my shirt, and I'm gonna click on select, and there you go. My product is displayed. Now, obviously, you can't see the photo because for that I'm gonna need to save. And once I save it, I'm gonna unsee this one, this featured collection over here. Now, featured collection obviously isn't the most appealing look, so I'm just gonna get that out of here. And now I'm gonna save it real quick. And once I've saved it, I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna exit it, and I'm gonna view on how the store actually looks. So from here, I'm gonna click on view your online store, and look at that. Here is my product slider, and obviously once I have more products, all the customers need to do is they're going to click on this slider, and from here on out, their product that you have on your store is going to slide on this product slider, and it's going to look very great and very appealing. So yeah, that is basically all for this video. Now, if you enjoyed it, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot, and share this video out with people who are in need of a tutorial like this. And if you want to see more videos like this related to e-commerce or Shopify, please let me know that as well, and I will make more for you as soon as I can. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.